Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Ox Trades back here with another, not futures, but crypto video. I've made one in the last 2 weeks, and I feel like after the volatility of this week, it is to be expected that I got another one coming this way. And let me start off by saying, wow, what a week, huh? Um, Bitcoin, since the start of the week, is still down 12%. And at one point, just this week, it was down 25%. And if you go from all time highs to low, it was down 52.5%, which is just insane. Literally, it was 2 weeks ago where we were at like 93, like 92, 93K when I had said that I thought it was going to 75, and if it breaks 75, that we will eventually hit 50. I did not think all that was going to happen in 2 weeks. Like I said, I thought it was going to take a couple months here. But now looking at this chart, I don't think it's very sustainable for us to keep dumping the way we have. I mean, I know that we have rallied 16% from lows, but um, here's I just want to go over my game plan with crypto. Um, I think that we have to watch this major demand flip supply over here. We have these previous highs, previous highs, previous highs, and then turn into lows, lows, turn into a low again in here, and then we got that breakdown. So I think that's going to be your major thing. If we reclaim 75,000, then okay, we might be able to see a little bit of upside. But if we reject off 75,000, get a lower high, then yeah, we're going to be headed to 50 quick, fast, and in a hurry. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm watching right now. We still kind of just have like this massive dump um, from mid-January until now. I mean, from mid-January highs to even now, we're down 28% in just a couple of weeks. From lows, it's almost 40% in just a couple of weeks. So I do think that we're in for a little relief bounce, but I think how we react to the 75,000 level, or like the 74, 75,000 level, is going to determine how we move in the future. But like I said, I do expect a little bit of I mean, we did already get the bounce, but if we fail the 60,000, then yeah, we're cooked. And I do think the lowest Bitcoin will get is like in this like high 30s, low 40s. And but I will start dollar cost averaging in around 50K. I'm not buying anything just yet. Ethereum. On Ethereum, I covered this 2100 level. I did say that this 2100 level is going to be your line in the sand. This previous resistance over here, flip support again, got that breakdown, and I did say that we would probably be heading into 1400 if we broke down this 2100, 21120, and we did. I mean, we got halfway there. We got to 1700, which from highs again in August's highs down 65% from all-time highs. But same kind of a similar situation with Bitcoin. If we get a lower high and then go and fail this, then we are going much, much, much lower, and 1400 is probably the best case scenario for Ethereum if we get that lower high on this chart and a break of this now 1750 structure. Next, I'll go over XRP. XRP, I kind of fear that this is the chart's lower high here. This off of 155, which is kind of got this little structure over here at like 150, and then we got that rally and retest there. So I think it's going to be important again on XRP here. If we lose this at 113, obviously we're headed into like 95 cents a dollar, and then after that we're headed into 78 cents. I will start, if we lose this low, this is when I will start dollar cost averaging into XRP. To around $1.95 is when I will start to purchase XRP. Solana, which is like the weakest name of all of them, now is down is down 70% from all-time highs, and at lows was down 77% from all-time highs. Solana, same story. This huge support flipped resistance now at 95, 96 area. I think if we, uh, we started to fail this 90, but if we pop into this 95 area and we fail it and get back below this low, we're headed straight into 50 on Solana. So these charts. Oh, one thing I do want to go over on Bitcoin. I do think like the way this chart is setting up, that this kind of scenario is very possible. So 50K. Get that pop back into like 100K. Fill out that head and shoulders back into 30K. I do think that this is a possible scenario, even if we want to make it even. Get that pop, fake out over 100K, and then we get that big, 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 big failure. But I think that Bitcoin would be lucky to get back into that range. But yeah, this is a faster video because I've already covered crypto twice in other videos. But since we had such a volatile week, like I was saying on, Bitcoin was down whatever 15%, and then Solana was down 40% on the week. Now it's down 15%. It's now up 30% from lows. But if we go down and break these lows, guys, I mean, we do still have plenty of room lower, but I just wanted to make a quick update video since I've made videos the last 2 weeks and the volatility is still crazy. I just wanted to go ahead and make one more follow-up video. If we get another big move on crypto, whether it's to the up or downside, I will continue to make crypto videos. If you guys like them, then just let me know. I will keep cranking them out. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.